The Bangladesh Investment Summit 2025 will be held by the Bangladesh Investment Development Authority (BIDA) at the Intercontinental Hotel in the capital from April 7 to 10 to increase foreign direct investment (FDI) in Bangladesh. The main objective of the summit is to highlight Bangladesh's investment potential, showcase post-July revolution economic reforms, and build long-term investment linkage. Principal Advisor Professor Dr. Mohammad Yunus is expected to inaugurate the Bangladesh Investment Summit 2025. The BIDA chairman also said that the NBR Bangladesh Bank and the Commercial Ministry will have separate booths at the summit to present the real picture of the country to foreign investors. In addition, three potential parties, BNP, Jamaat-e Islami Bangladesh, and Jatiyo Nagorik Party (NCP), will have separate booths. Chief Advisors Press Secretary Mohammad Shafiqul Alam, Deputy Press Secretary Mohammad Abul Kalam Azad Mojumdar, and BIDA Business Development Department Head Nahian Rahman Ruchi were present at the press conference. Mahdi Hassan BN, Editorial News 24, Dhaka, Bangladesh.